Today we're gonna make cinnamon toast.
Oh yeah, we're throwing it back old school.
Not Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the cereal.
The cinnamon toast that I used to make when I was a kid.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, so stick around. Welcome back to College Kitchen. I'm Karen.
I'm Robin.
Today is Cinnamon Toast Day. Not Cinnamon Toast Crunch,
No.
just Cinnamon Toast.
Yes.
We're teaching you how to make it. It's very easy, it's very yummy, it's very not healthy. We don't care.
No.
You think we eat healthy stuff in this house? Yeah, right. We do not.
You're mistaken.
You're so mistaken. Have you seen any of our
Oh
other
my
videos?
gosh.
We have like one healthy video and the rest are like, make this microwave cookie. It's delicious.
Make pizza for every meal.
Yum.
Oh man.
That's how we roll.
I'm gonna be eating well. Here we have some bread.
You need some slices of bread. We
Yeah.
are each going to make one because
In case you didn't know what toast was.
toast is made out of bread and you stick it in the toaster. And there you go. So we're going to put our bread in the toaster, which is right over there. And then we're gonna toast it to desired toastness. Mine's not very toasty. Robin likes hers almost burnt.
Real toasty.
And then we will come back and show you the rest. So while our toast was toasting, we made our cinnamon sugar. So we want to butter our bread pretty soon after we get it out of the toaster because then the butter just melts into it and that is what you want. Okay, so we've got our buttered toast.
Buttery.
And what we're going to do next is take our cinnamon sugar and a spoon, and then you just want to like take a spoonful
Of sugar.
cinnamon sugar
Helps the medicine.
and you just want to sprinkle it over the toast. And it's okay if you get too much because you can always shake off the excess. So I don't know if you can kind of see that.
This looks so healthy.
Yeah, it's basically sugar with a little bit of cinnamon to make it like cinnamony. Yeah, so we
I
just
did
shake
not
off
just
the
make
excess.
a mess.
Look at this.
You can see the
Basically
bread,
like
the
sugar
bread
toast.
formation on the plate.
Nice. Sugar toast, we're calling that.
Sugar
this.
toast.
And then you eat it. So,
Yes, ready?
yeah. Cheers. Oh my gosh, this brings back a lot of memories. I haven't had this since I was a kid, literally.
I would say 10 out of 10 healthy breakfast.
Yeah, so if you want a real fast breakfast, it's not healthy at all, but super delicious, this is the one for you.
Meals are done. Just make whatever you want.
Just make cinnamon toast all day long. It's all good. Leave us a comment below and let us know what your favorite.
Toast topping is.
Is it Nutella? Is it just butter?
Is it this stuff? Is it,
Peanut butter?
yeah.
Is it chocolate chips? Is it
Ooh.
jelly?
No.
Is it something else that we haven't mentioned?
Tell us your fun toasty topping.
We would love to know.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time on College Kitchen. Bye.